I understand that failure is a part of my growth. I welcome and embrace it, and I move forward to greater things. And I just want to talk about that for a minute. If you repeat it after me, great. I'll repeat it again before I finish. But when you, what we call fail, or when we bump our head or skin our knee, or, make little errors, fumble a little bit as we're growing on our journey, what I want you all to remember is that this is all about the growth, your growth in this journey. When you fail or make mistakes or errors, the purpose is to learn from them and to develop from them. It's important to develop all your muscles, your mental muscles, your physical muscles, your spiritual muscles, your intuitive muscles. It's important to grow from any errors that we have made. Now, if you find yourself repeating the same mistakes over and over and over, you really need to sit down and be one with yourself and source and figure out what is it that's going on that keeps you on this same path. And then work on healing whatever that thing is that keeps you stuck. Now, we have a community, we work with women, I do privately work with men, but in our community, the community is a sisterhood. And in our community, we are working on manifesting our goals, and we use the goddess energy within us to be able to tap into our higher selves and to be able to manifest what it is that we desire in this lifetime. In our community, we also teach about the deity, not deities. Well, you will learn about deities, but male gods and goddesses. So, male gods. I'm tripping right now. But you learn about it all. But anyway, I've said enough. Let's repeat after me. I understand that failure is part of my growth. I welcome and embrace it as I move towards greater things. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.